Welcome back guys to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Pokemon Go hack. First you're gonna do go to the Safari, search a list. No. Here it is. Apps for a phone. List. This one. You wanna search it. And go to list. To the first one. When it's open, here it is, Pokemon Go hacked. First you wanna do, wait for app loading. Yeah, go to the menu, go to the apps, pre-hacked games. Here it is. The Subway Surfers, Asphalt 8, Temple Run. Wait. Gonna show you where is that. No, it's not over here. I'm sorry. It's not. The website. Hacked. Here it is, hacked Pokemon Go. Not gonna install the first one, but this one, Pokemon Go hack alternative. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and please drop a like and subscribe on this channel.